Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Shopify app permissions with admin scopes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Shopify app permissions with admin scopes, start by creating a Shopify partner account if you don't already have one. Log into your Shopify partner dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section and click on Create App. Select Custom App or Public App, depending on your needs. Fill out the required information for your app, including name and app URL. In the App Settings, locate the Scopes section to define the permissions your app will require. Understand that admin scopes determine what data your app can access in a Shopify store. Choose the appropriate scopes based on the functionality of your app. Make sure to review the Shopify documentation for a comprehensive list of available scopes. Enable OAuth by setting up your app's redirect URLs within the App Settings. Implement OAuth in your app code to request user authentication. Use the authorization code flow to request access tokens. Start by generating an authorization URL using your app's API key and the required scopes. Direct users to this authorization URL where they will log into their Shopify store and approve your app. Once the user approves, Shopify will redirect them back to your specified redirect URL with a temporary authorization code. Capture this authorization code in your application. Exchange the authorization code for an access token by sending a request to the Shopify API. Include your client's secret, API key, and the authorization code in your request. Upon receiving the access token, you'll gain access to the specified scopes for the user's store. Store the access token securely for future API calls. Test the integration by making requests to the Shopify API using the access token. Ensure that your app handles token expiration and refresh tokens properly. Document your authentication process for future reference and maintenance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.